Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. I'm here to tell you the situation I am in right now. And need ko rin ng advice. Kaya we listen and we don't judge. I am 17 years old, female. People tell me that I am beautiful and hindi ko sila masisi kasi I always get who I want. I have a boyfriend who is 30 years old. 5 months na kami. I love him and he loves me too. But despite all that, I can't help but feel guilty and ashamed. Kasi before me, he already had a wife and he has a kid from another woman before his wife. I am an INC and he is not. I introduced him sa mama ko and sa other family members ko. They all accepted us and willing ang boyfriend ko maging INC. Until my family found out that he is married on paper. My mom then disapproved and made us break up. We pretended to break up but we're still together. Every time we hang out, we always go to a motel at midnight. We do this 4 times a month or so for us to bond and do things we shouldn't be doing. The thing is, I know everything about us is wrong and he knows it too. But we just cannot seem to let go because we truly love each other. And we believe that when the time is right, we will be together. The plan is simple. I'll study first and he will divorce his wife when he finds a job. Kasi right now, he is unemployed because he is waiting to get approval from the embassy for him to work sa lugar na iyon. After the divorce, he will save up for our future. Sakto naman, tapos na ako sa studies ko by then. And when he comes home dito sa Pinas, all will be alright for the both of us. Like I said, we both know naman na what we are doing is bad. But we can't seem to stop despite our 13-year age gap, our religion, mine specifically, our families, his wife, and his kid. What should I do? Tama ba yung ginagawa namin na ipagpatuloy ito for our sake or stop our relationship? Dahil halos lahat ay tutol sa kung anong meron kami. Mind you, my mom is working sa NBI, kaya if she finds out what we've been doing, lagot kami. Lagot siya.